Today I just wanted to demonstrate that you can get multi-layers of foam, you can get your microfoam. I've taken the liberty of heating this. This is actually half and half, comes to about here. I took the advice of one of the subscribers. I'm now using a glass cup so you guys can see everything. And yeah, heat it up for about 1:30. The heat process is key so that you can break these protein bonds. I won't get into the science of it. There's plenty of it on the internet if you really want to know. But yeah, let's start. This is not about the technique, and looks like I heated this up a little bit too much, or waited a little bit longer because it's getting a little bit. Well, anyway, let's give it a go. Yeah, so it's not about the technique. I just want to show you those layers when I'm done. So we're getting there already. I see this microfoam starting to form. And really, I just wanted to show that it can be done and show you what it looks like. It's nice thick foam. This is nice thick. Or even a cappuccino. And if we look at how much it has arisen, I mean, this is a latte espresso spoon, but that's how deep it's going. If I could pull it, you can see the edge of the spoon there. So we just got some really nice froth, very quick, much quicker than a the time it would take to use a wand and clean that up. Obviously, I showed you before, or rinsing a handheld wand takes 3 seconds. And this is just beautiful stuff. It's a little bit hard to tell the different layers, but they're in there. And probably at the bottom we have some really nice warm milk. Probably not as thick, but just great. Anyway, there it is. It can be done. Ooh, wish I'd made some espresso to dump in there, but anyway, if you have any questions, just write in the comments below. I hope this is helpful in proving that it can be done. You can make the delicious froth. And yeah, so write in any questions, and if you found this at all helpful, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more, because I'm planning on doing a follow-up video just in terms of maintaining an espresso machine. And I also have some ideas for some really cool drinks that you can make with some coffee drinks, that is, with a handheld frothing machine. So good luck. Enjoy.